Hello everyone, today we're visiting one of my favourite places for birdwatching, the Jacana Wetlands. I'm Ken and I've always been interested in history, infrastructure, architecture and the environment. I'm creating a video museum of the things that interest me. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Officially named the Jacana Retarding Basin Wetlands, these wetlands were created by Melbourne Water in 2003 to manage stormwater in the Moonee Ponds Creek catchment. They help reduce downstream flooding and also filter nitrogen and other pollutants before they reach the creek. By the way, I've got a separate video on the Moonee Ponds Creek if you're interested. There are two main wetland areas here, a smaller one south of the Western Ring Road and a larger one to the north. They're part of a long linear reserve that follows the creek all the way from Broadmeadows to Strathmore. It's a great walking area, even with some traffic noise from the ring road. I just pop in my headphones and enjoy the views. The Western Ring Road was actually built before the wetlands, with this section between the Tullamarine Freeway and Pascoe Vale Road completed in 1992 after 4 years of construction. The wetlands came several years after this. The wetlands are a key habitat for birds, frogs and insects. One of the highlights is the Growling Grass Frog, a nationally significant species that was spotted here in 2016. It's a 6 to 9 centimetre bright green frog, and the males are known for their deep growl-like call. The southern wetlands are also popular with birdwatchers. You might spot species like the chestnut teal, hardhead, spotted dove, and even the elusive tawny frogmouth. Before 2003, this area was bare and prone to flooding. Melbourne Water's project included new draining infrastructure and a 2-year revegetation program supported by volunteer groups like the Moonee Ponds Creek Crusaders. Their work helped transform the area into the thriving ecosystem we see today. This is a great place for a walk, but be prepared. There's little shade, so it's best to avoid it on hot days. There are also no toilets or drinking fountains, and the route follows a shared concrete path. The first section is an off-lead dog area, but dogs must stay on a leash within 1 metre of the path, and they're not allowed in the creeks or wetlands. The main wetland in the northern section is mostly hidden from view because of vegetation, but I'll link a fantastic bird's eye video from Melbourne Water that gives you a better look. Thanks for watching. If this video interests you, I encourage you to keep exploring the topic. You never know what you might learn. If you've got extra facts or tips about Jacana Wetlands, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.